Our biology major is best suited for students with a wide range of interests. That could be pre-professional health, conservation biology or ecology, even wanting to teach at various levels. It's really a broad-based background or education that will allow you to do multiple things. Our faculty are really committed to working with our students and doing that face-to-face, one-on-one.
The faculty at PLU really set an example for me as a future educator in terms of how to both challenge your students and then also just invest in them as people. And I think that wouldn't be possible elsewhere besides PLU, given the small class sizes. Like, that really allows for that teacher-student connection that's really awesome and really gives students confidence moving forward in their future.
Biology students at PLU have the opportunity to continue their biology education through study abroad opportunities. You have opportunities to go places like Namibia or Norway and the University of Southeast Norway, also the University of West Indies in Trinidad and Tobago, and those all give students opportunities to develop their upper division courses while studying abroad and living abroad. The major also provides flexibility for students to take a range of different classes to satisfy their requirements, which really allows them to take classes that they're interested in and still prepare them as a broad-based biologist.
I think I was really narrow-minded with what biology was when I came in. They really prepare you to look at the world around you. There's biology in almost everything, and there's definitely science in everything. And so I've been able to apply a lot of the concepts that I learned in class to my everyday life, and I get to see them in action, and that's really exciting and one of the things that I love about science and biology.
I found like interdisciplinary connections between biology and philosophy or the music class I had to take. There's so many connections there. I really feel like the liberal arts education has kind of broaden my perspective, and that's really going to help me serve students in the future. And it really helps me view biology through an equity lens as well. I have always wanted to be a teacher. I didn't necessarily like science growing up, but I was like, oh, let me just try out science, that will be a good way to get a teaching job. And then I ended up loving it, like beyond just, oh, I'm going to teach this. I really kind of found a passion for biology.
They've made me feel like a really integral part of the community. PLU has really come to feel like home, and especially the biology department. I have a lot of connections with professors because of my jobs through TAing, and I'm also a biology tutor, and I've done research, and I've been a lab assistant and a prep worker. So I really got to work closely with the faculty in the biology department, and it's been really nice getting to see them as people, and hear about their lives and their stories.